transforming a real forest into a 3D digital environment. High-precision point clouds reveal the full spatial structure of the forest. Elevation-based coloring clearly separates trees from the terrain. Ground points are extracted to generate a detailed terrain model. Contour lines reveal slope and elevation changes at a glance. Terrain beneath the canopy is reconstructed from complex point cloud data. Trees and terrain are integrated within a unified coordinate system. From the entire forest stand, we focus on each individual tree. Individual tree point clouds reveal trunk and branch structures in detail. Tree locations are identified to enable individual tree analysis, giving every tree a precise spatial position. From forest inventory and terrain mapping to individual tree analysis, 3D point cloud technology enables smarter and more precise forest management. One scan, multiple deliverables.